64. Official score 67, 65. Sa kabila po si Parutso pa ang kumukuha ng puntos. Bawal pass. 10 on the shot clock. Oh no! Nakuha ang bola. Andun si Navarro, mga kaibigan. Nasa harapan, paso, Talde, Tumera. Pero with shot! Rebound by Luga. Pass. We have 3 minutes and 18. Just a 2.65-67. Pass to Luga. Luga to Sanoria na naman. Tumera, Sanoria. 2 points na naman! Oh! Stephen ba? Grabe. Sayang. Stephen Japon. Score now. 2 points na to, Jer. Deadlock 67. Olo dying. Okay, 67. Okay, 15 on the shot clock. We have 2 minutes and 46. Shot clock down to 8. Double dribble. Warning number 4, to play for unsportsmanlike behavior. Good evening. We have 2 minutes and 35. More action. We have pangatlong tidlak po, mga kaibigan. We have 2 minutes and 30. Kasun Sanoria. Shot clock down to 12. Nakalusot si Sanoria, mga kaibigan. Pinatrit talaga. Sanoria. Ang galing naman. 67-69. We are now approaching to last 2 minutes in the fourth and final quarter. Ibang klase si Sanoria, mga kung ganda ng laban. 15 on the shot clock. To play, 1-on-1 by Delpino. 10 on the shot clock. Talde, short. Last 2 minutes. Yes, 2 minute official score 69-67. Down with 2 points. Pass to Sanoria. Shot clock down to 10. Enriquez. Nice pass, Enriquez! Enriquez, another ball position in Darwin. We have 1 minute and 40 for secondary. Pass to number 9. Enriquez to Mira! 1 minute and 32. We have 67-69 with 1 minute and 30 remaining time. 20 on the shot clock. Navarro. 15 on the shot clock. Navarro. May kunting basket count. Navarro. Ayan ang mga kaibigan. Pang-limang deadlock. 69 all with 1 minute and 15 remaining time. Brazil is involved. Wow. What a ball game. What a ball game. Shot clock down to 12. Enriquez passes it. Shot clock down to 10. Delpino.